Good morning, Leah Louise here. This is my hallway. There's my bathroom. You can see it's pretty precarious. That's where the tree is. Whoop. Can you see the tree up there? That big black blotch, that's the tree that went through our roof and obviously into the bathroom. And we have acorns on the bathroom floor. So here we're going into the living room, and there's my fireplace right there. And I think we're good with the TV. We're not sure, but check out the ceiling. My husband just put the crown molding up in the living room last week, and it held. Nothing else, but of course this tree is huge. Fiberglass, but look at that tree out there. Do you see that thing? And it comes right up through the roof. And there's our vent. There it is, right there. So there's the tree going out the back. Both our bathrooms were completely crushed. This tree literally cut our house in half. And we were in bed. And I'm telling y'all, God took care of us. That tree went between the bedrooms, over the bathrooms. Had we been under this, we would not be here today. One or the other of us would not be here to say hello and to say, thank you, God, for saving our lives. And I just want you all to see this kind of devastation. It's just incredible. Look there's our air filter, not doing much good right now, but it's there. And you can see the dining room to the other side, which is passable. But obviously we can't stay in this part of the house, but I did just want to show you. Look at that. Look at the leaves. Look at the skylight coming through. It's just amazing to me that we're alive and the rest of the house is standing. This was a devastating drop on our house. And we tried to find a hotel yesterday. There's no power anywhere in town. And we'd have to travel an hour or two to find, but we weren't ready to leave here yet. It's just hard. It's hard to know what to do. But like I said, insurance has been contacted and they're taking care of us, and we have folks already scheduled to come remove the tree and put a tarp on the roof. But that tree came down right through the center of the house, which means all our electrical came down too. So we have to keep our breaker off because we are unable to have the power come on, even though the city turns it on, because we don't know where all those power cords are attached. I'm showing you, we still have puddles in the living room from yesterday with all the rain. And this has just been such an incredible experience, but it's also a huge testimony of God's power and how he takes care of us. And I pray that everybody out there is well, and I ask for your prayers as we work through this challenge. We're safe, we're all together, and that's what matters. Everything else can be repaired or replaced. Thank you all for being so wonderful and being here with us through this storm. It helps to know that I have friends out there watching and keeping good thoughts for us. We love you guys. Take care, and I'll try and get in touch as I can.